welcome back to my channel. I got some requests to do a DIY video on how I made the backless bra in my previous video, so I just wanted to show you guys. It's pretty simple. You do need to know how to sew. Well, you don't really need to know how to sew, but you need to be careful since you'll be using a needle. So without further ado, let's get started. For this tutorial, you will need a bra. I'm using a black bra that I don't really wear anymore, a pair of scissors, and sewing pins, I think that's what they're called, and a needle and a thread. First, you're just going to lay out your bra, and then you're going to grab your straps, and make sure you get a bra strap that's long enough and it's also adjustable, because you're going to want it to make sure you can wrap it around underneath your arms. So I'm just grabbing the ends right where the bra strap ends with the bra lace part, and you're just going to cut that part off like so. And then you're going to grab the end of the other lace and then cut that part as well. Try to cut it as close to the edge as possible. And then you'll be left with just the little lace part. So now we're going to be doing the exact same thing on the other side, and so we're going to be cutting off the bra strap and cutting off the edge around the cup. And then you'll be left with the bra cups and the straps, and don't cut off the straps off the cups because we definitely need that part. You're going to bring that loose strap to the bottom of the bra cup. Make sure there aren't any tangles because you don't want the bra straps to be tangled when you wear it. So you kind of eyeball it and see where you want to place it. And we're going to grab the the sewing pins and pin it on where you think it would work. And don't worry, we're not going to be sewing it yet because we're going to be trying it on later to make sure that it fits properly. Once you've done that, then you're going to go ahead and try it on, and just be careful because there are pins, so you don't want to poke yourself with it. I am putting it on top of my clothes, and I actually have a bra underneath, so it's a little bit more difficult for me, but just play around with it. Make sure the straps aren't twisted or anything like that, and if you feel comfortable with where the straps are, then go ahead and take them off. You're going to notice that I placed the strap a little bit lower on the cup. I realized that if I put it a little bit lower than right where it ends, it kind of holds all your goodies together. Now the fun part, if you're happy with where the bra sits, then go ahead and just sew it on, and that's basically it. Now you have created your own DIY backless bra without spending a dime, and you can go from this to this. No more back straps. So that is basically how I made my DIY backless bra. For me, it works pretty well. Like I said, you can't really dance in it or anything like that. No sudden movements because it will kind of move around and shift around. But I have fairly small chest, so it's pretty comfortable for me, and I haven't had much problems with it. I hope that this could help you guys as far as not showing your bra in the future if you're wearing low back shirts or low back dresses. And enjoy the summer, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next Sunday. Bye!